Down.
What do you see?
Look. Look.
Do you want to sit on my lap and read that book?
Yeah. Look.
I'm helping.
Shoes on. Shoes on.
Shoes on.
Hat
Hat.
on.
What's that? What's this?
Daddy.
Yeah, what's that?
Hannah.
Who's that?
Hannah.
Hannah.
Mama.
Or Mama.
Mama. Hannah.
He met Hannah one time,
Hat.
2 months ago. Hat? What's this?
Cover.
Car. What's this?
Meat. Motorcycle.
What's that?
Boat.
What?
Up.
What's that?
Boat. Up.
Mouse? Do you know what that is?
Boat.
Yeah? What else do you see?
Boat.
Mouse? I guess that's a mouse.
Boat. Up.
Mouse up? I guess, yeah. Mouse up.
Butterfly.
Can you touch the butterfly?
Butterfly.
There you go, buddy.
Butterfly.
Do you like butterflies?
Motorcycle.
Yeah. Can you touch another butterfly?
Yeah.
Where's another butterfly? Can you touch a butterfly?
No. Butterfly.
Another butterfly.
Butterfly.
Yeah. What else do you see?
Hat.
Can you touch the hat? Yeah. Can you touch the sun?
Sun.
That's right, that's the sun. Can you touch the tree?
Tree.
Can you touch the cloud?
Cloud.
That's a boy. The cloud is up in the sky. Can you touch, where is the butterfly?
Break.
Who's that?
Shoes on.
Whose shoes? Who has shoes on? Does Jude have shoes on?
I don't.
You don't. Does Daddy have shoes on?
Yes.
Yes. Does Jude have a hat on?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
You have hair on. Do you have a hat on?
Huh? Book. Clock. Mona.
What did you say?
Clock.
Truck? What's this?
Mouse.
What's this?
Sun.
This is the sun. What's this?
Door.
Door. What's this?
Tree.
Tree. Do you know what this is?
No.
What's this here?
Butterfly.
Do you like butterflies?
Butterfly.
Yeah.
No. Butterfly.
Another butterfly.
Butterfly. Butterfly.
Butter?
Green. Sheep. Mama.
Yeah?
Up.
Up. Yeah, she's going up.
Up. Mama, see? Up. Right.
What are these people? What are they doing?
Cheese.
Cheese.
Apple. Apple.
Apple.
Cheese. Cheese.
Can you say cheese? Can you smile real big?
And yeah.
What? Okay, jump. One. You jump. You jump.
Look.
Dark, that's right, it's dark. I should be putting you to bed.
Daddy.
Yes, Jude? Can you jump? Can you jump? 1, 2, 3? Did you just clock yourself pretty hard?
Boom.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah. Don't do that on purpose. Ouch!
Boom.
Did you bump your face?
Stay down.
Okay.
Down. Visit, Daddy. Visit.
Fix it, Daddy. Fix it. I guess my video is done.